Hello, you have been invited to learn about KB Edelmetal and the KB Group of Companies. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn about the gold-backed KB savings plans that are available to individuals, families and businesses alike. The company is growing in several ways in unprecedented proportions. Global expansion is happening now. Today we are going to discuss the features, benefits and how you can open an account today. But before we do that, here are some facts you might like to know about the KB Group. KB is a financially secure, debt-free and fully self-funded financial institution with over 16 years of successful trading. They conduct operations from 2 corporate offices, one in Munich, the other in Stuttgart, Germany. In the last few years, KB has acquired some very timely and impressive assets. A few years back, a gold mine became available for purchase in Istanbul, Turkey. KB bought it. A short time later, a precious metal refinery became available for purchase, and KB bought that too. Suddenly, KB owned and controlled 2 impressive assets. KB is the first and only company to not only own its own gold mine, but also its own mint, refinery and production facilities. There are currently 95 top-tier refineries in the world. 89 are either government-owned or government-controlled. Only 6 are privately owned and controlled, and KB is one of those 6. KB is the only refinery in the world that is green. They do not use any toxic chemicals such as cyanides to process precious metals. KB is also debt-free. Everything is paid for in cash. Their mines, mining rights, refinery, machinery, equipment, even their company cars. Due to the credibility and influence of the management team and their track record, another incredible asset became available to them, that being the precious metal depository in St. Gotthard Massif in Switzerland. This is the same vault that the Swiss government used to store their gold. So now that KB own and control their own mine and refinery and have vaults in Switzerland for bullion storage, the only missing piece of the puzzle was their distribution model. In May of 2008, KB spun off a sales and marketing division, the first and only company offering a global gold and silver-backed savings plan available to the masses through person-to-person referral. The KB business plan is extremely impressive, empowering businesses and financially intelligent individuals to own and leverage gold and silver. KB has a very unique tactical advantage in the marketplace. The plan was and is to this day to bring 999.9 kind bar grade, that's currency grade, pure gold bullion products to the consumer in small weights through word of mouth referral marketing. People sharing with people, a new and exciting way of opening a gold savings plan. There are no setup or enrollment costs to open an account, and when you set up your account, you will have access to the world's very best bullion prices. Once your account is established, you can make regular monthly cash deposits, or you can make one-time deposits or periodic cash deposits. You are totally in control. What we are doing is exchanging our paper fiat currency for gold or silver bullion. That is literally another form of currency. And when we exchange cash, you will receive gold or silver bullion for the exchange rate for that day. Your gold or silver can be exchanged back in cash in any currency at any time in just a few working days. This model has been a huge success in Central Europe. In fact, the KB Edelmetal and their precious metal purchase plan is now recommended by Bundesbar, an independent German consumer watchdog organization. The product that we are talking about is kind bar quality gold and silver bullion. When you exchange your paper currency for the gold bullion is embedded into a product card. Each card has a serial number and a kind bar hologram adorning the rear side. KB Gold and Silver Bullion is kind bar grade, which is the very highest grade and quality of pure gold bullion produced by only a handful of companies in the world. In order for them to obtain the license, they are spot checked for a period of 3 years by Swiss government authorities, so the license is highly sought after. The serial number and hologram ensures that the bullion you acquire belongs to you, and the bullion always holds its value if and when it is shipped to you from the vault. You own the title of your gold once it is paid for. The globally recognized kind bar hologram, serial number and certificate guarantees the contents are genuine. KB Bullion is certified by the Swiss, not any other government at all. With the explosive growth in Central Europe, global expansion is now underway. This totally unique program is the first and only plan that empowers individuals and businesses to buy, sell, own and control precious metals purchased directly from the mining company, eliminating excessive middleman premiums and shipping costs. KB was the first gold producing company in the world to offer kind bar grade 1 gram bars, not 1 ounce, 1 gram. They are the first and only company to offer half-gram bars and even have plans to offer quarter-gram bars in the future. The plan is to create a gold-based private global currency. Their unique marketing strategy and niche is to produce and distribute 999.9 pure kind bar quality gold and silver products in smaller weights, producing a new and more affordable way for individuals to buy, own and control gold and silver. KB Gold's strength and stability is very evident in the fact that they do not have to charge distributors or depositors with enrollment fees, setup costs, website fees or access to a back office facility. There are no costs at all to open an account. There are no setup fees either for business builders. This is a seriously important point to consider. What other company could you join and make a serious additional income without having to pay anything for the privilege? There are 3 basic features of the plan as follows. Number 1, simply open a savings account. The minimum deposit with KB is €50, that's about £42 sterling. Cash deposits can be exchanged for gold and silver bullion produced by KB. Your savings account is self-directed. You own, control and manage your account online. Deposits are optional, just like where you bank right now, and you have complete control. Your gold and silver can be converted back to cash in any currency at any time. The second feature is the buy and sell pricing structure. Depositors have access to the world's very best spot daily prices every time you buy and sell your bullion. You buy from the company that owns the mine, the processing, the refinery and the mint, eliminating the middleman and saving money and getting the world's best prices. Some financial experts are recommending to their clients to have at least 5 to 25% of assets in gold and silver bullion. This is the absolutely best way to take their advice. The third feature, and I believe the most exciting, is the referral rewards program, paid out for referring others to simply open a savings account. Each deposit they make, you get paid. Are there any other financial institutions paying out for individuals for referrals? I don't think so. Barclays Bank? No. Lloyds TSB? No. Bank of America? No. KB is the first and only one. If you are willing to engage as an independent KB partner, you can go to work today and get paid in 5 different ways. Earnings can be exchanged for gold or silver bullion, and individuals and business entities alike need to know about this fantastic way of protecting assets and hedging a portfolio with gold and silver bullion. Part-time and full-time opportunities abound with KB for those looking for a stable and lucrative way of generating new capital from KB's aggressive compensation package. The referral program is of course optional. Some we know may not be interested in the business aspect but are simply looking for a good way to hedge their portfolio, finding safety and security with gold and silver. However, if at any time these people refer a friend or family member, KB will deposit a cash reward into their account. There are 5 forms of compensation for referrals for those of you that are interested in building a business. The first is the customer acquisition bonus of up to €670. That's about £570 sterling for each referral that you expose to the program that opens and funds their account. There is also a passive residual program of up to 5.5% on all monthly deposits, and again there is up to 5.5% available for one-time depositors. There are also 2 huge global bonus pools for top producers. Well, how do I get started? You simply complete a short application form as a depositor or as a business builder, or you can do both. The second step is to fund your account just as soon as your country opens for trade, which will be very shortly. Before we close, I have to mention the preferred account program. If you are willing and able to deposit €3,000, that's about £2,500 sterling, you become a preferred account holder. You have certain benefits like preferred customer prices. You get a 3% better price when you buy and a 5% better price when you sell. KB also offers best price buyback policy and free delivery to your home. Free storage in the vaults in Switzerland applies to all distributors. I think everyone listening has to agree that timing is everything. You only have to watch the current news, economic climate, and see gold and silver prices that are rising and predicted to continue to rise. If you do nothing, savings and pensions and jobs will continue at best to be a little insecure. This program is absolutely free to get started. You have nothing to lose. For more information, please get back to the person that sent you this link. Thank you for your time and the very best of luck.